Hey everybody, well, welcome back after some technical issues, but that's okay. Keep moving on, figured it out. Okay, so where I left off, we were just going to start practicing. You were tracing these. The next thing we were going to do, which I kept doing, but my video had stopped, oops, is writing the letters below where you trace them. So let's go ahead and let's write the letters. I'm going to use a marker just so you can see it better as I write them. So I'm going to do my F first, starting at the dot. I'm going to start at the dot. I'm going to pull down, frog jump up, pull over, frog jump to the middle, pull over again. And remember, I like to make mine in the middle a little bit shorter. That way I don't end up making it longer than the line that's above it. Okay? E, pull down, frog jump up, go across, frog jump to the middle, go across, frog jump to the bottom, go across. So we have those 4 straight lines. We got vertical and then some going horizontally. Let's do our D. Remember, we have that curve now. Start at the top, pull down, frog jump up, curve around. P, another straight line and then a curved line. Start at the top, pull down, jump up, curve to the middle. And B, 2 curved lines. Start at the top, pull down, frog jump up, curve over, and then another curve over. All right, R, pull down, frog jump up, curve to the middle, diagonal line out. N, we've got straight lines, but some going diagonally. Start at the top, pull down, frog jump up, diagonal line to the bottom, and then, oops, I picked up my marker. I'm not supposed to do that. Remember, once you pull it down, you want to push up. Don't lift up your pencil. M, start at the dot, pull down, frog jump up, diagonal line to the middle, diagonal line up, and then pull down. You don't want to lift up that pencil, just that one time when we do our frog jump. Okay, so now here at the bottom is a little mystery letter game you're going to play with the adult who is doing this with you. I'm going to do, well, as you can see, I did the first 2. Those aren't a mystery to you. So I'm going to move on. You're going to start right here in the first box. And I will tell you what letter to write. Not N, and then not R. I'm going to tell you. So just listen. So let me read the directions. Start in the starting corner. Make a big line down. Frog jump back to the starting corner. Wait for your teacher, which is your adult at home, to tell you which frog jump capital to make. So all you parents, remember, we're just making these letters up here. So you're going to say the letter. After they've done their big line down and frog jumped up, then you're going to tell them what letter to write. So you're starting in the first empty box. I'm going to go to my first empty box. So we're going to do our start at the starting corner, pull down, jump up, M. So I'm going to do my diagonal line to the middle, diagonal line to the top, pull down. So hopefully everybody should have a capital M in their first blank box. Mine, unfortunately, just ended up having to be right there. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I want you to finish this with your adult. So, starting corner, pull down, frog jump up, P, curve to the middle. Okay, please go ahead and finish filling in all these gray boxes. Your adult will tell you which letter to write. Please do your best work. If you feel like one could be better, go ahead and use that eraser. Erase it and try it again. This is just practice so we can work on doing our best handwriting letters. So when we get to writing long sentences with lots of words, it makes it really easy to read, and it makes it really easy for your teacher to read what you've written, and your parents. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all for the next handwriting lesson. Bye.